Seen his Brewski shirt yet?
How you doing, buddy? Yeah, I did. I saw the photos there. What's going on? You want to say hi to the world? Put the video on right now. Wave to your fans. Uh-oh.
He loves the camera.
He does. He loves the camera, that's for sure. He's like, how do I get to point A to point B? Oh, he's got my hand now. Oh! Oh, boy! Attack of the Killer Logan. He's torn between his cartoons and his love of the camera.
What you looking for?
Uh-oh. He's standing on his own. No hands on him. Oh, and down. Are you pretty mad about those movie tickets too, Logan? No? You're good? Okay. I guess his time is... The camera's done. He's back on the TV.
Hey. Hey. What you doing?
Uh-oh. Yeah!
Right out.
Bye-bye.